Hello guys, welcome to Catolabs. So as I said, today I'm going to show you how to install the softwares and packages that are needed for you to perform soil erosion modeling using RUSLE model in Google Earth Engine Python API known as Geemap. So in order to do that, there are a number of softwares which you are supposed to download, which include Jupyter, Anaconda, and you have to also install a Geemap, which is a Google Earth Engine Python API. So I'll show you guys how to download these softwares and how to install the Geemap library in using Anaconda prompt. So the first thing that you need to do is to install Anaconda prompt, and to do so you can go to your browser and type Anaconda and then when you type Anaconda you get to this page where you can download. This is for Windows, but if you also want to download for Mac and for Linux, you can also get additional installers, but in this case I'm using Windows, so I will download for Windows. So it will download automatically. It will take some seconds to download. So it has downloaded. It took some time. So now you can, in order to install, you can open the file there, or you can go to your downloads folder, downloads, in this file, click there and open, or just double click and follow all the steps that it's going to give you. Next you agree, and until you have installed Anaconda. I already have Anaconda prompt on my computer, so I will not install it. So please follow all the steps until you are sure that it's installed on your computer. Okay, so guys, when you have finally installed your Anaconda, then what you have to do is to look for it. You can find it on your search button, Anaconda. There it is. You run it. Now our next step is to try and install Geemap Python package. So the first step that you have to do is to install an Anaconda environment. So in order to do that, you say conda create, then you give it a name. I already have an environment by the name GEE. So now I'll try and maybe say maybe Geo. Let me just name it Geo, and then Python, but you have to name it GEE since you may already have an environment with that name, so that's why I used GEO. So it's going to take some time to install. Do you want to proceed? Yes. So it is now installing different packages that go along with your environment. As you can see, it's installing libraries like pip, OpenSSL, Python 3, SQLite, and so forth. So we have created our environment. So now let's try and activate that environment. So in order to activate the environment, say conda activate geo. So it's activated. Now we want to install a number of packages or libraries that go along with the Geemap. So in order to do that, you say conda install C conda forge Geemap. So it's conda install C conda forge. Don't create a space between conda and forge. Then Geemap. It has to work. Hurrah, it works. So it's now installing. It will install a lot of packages, so it's going to take a lot of time. So I will say proceed, yes, enter. So I will pause the video and then come back after it is installed. Okay, finally it has installed all our packages. So basically, as you can see there, it has installed libraries such as NumPy, Plotly. You can find Pywin, Beautiful Soup, Pandas, Whitebox, a lot of libraries that are very, very important for the task ahead. So this is how you install Anaconda and also install the Geemap package in using Anaconda prompt. So after doing so, what we need to do is to open. Now we need to reopen our environment that we've just created. So you can do it here and say conda activate I call it geo, so I know you're going to call it GEE. Conda activate geo, it will activate it, or you can come and open again Anaconda. Let's say you've closed Anaconda prompt, so you can come here and say conda activate Geemap. Sorry, geo. So now the notebook that we're gonna use here is called Jupyter Notebook. So we're gonna use Jupyter Notebook. So we need to open Jupyter Notebook. So by doing so, it's going to open Jupyter Notebook on your browser, which you're gonna use to edit. So you go to Documents, and then you go to the folder where you want to save your files. So your code. So I'll go to GEE. So this is where I'm going to save my scripts. So I'll open there and say new Python script. So it will take me here. You import the imported libraries. For instance, you import EE, you import Geemap. So we've imported these libraries. So we want to create our first map. So in order to create a map, we say map equals to Geemap dot map, then pass brackets, and then you say map. So there is our map, ladies and gentlemen. So that means we have successfully installed Anaconda and used it to install a Geemap package. Now we can run and start our soil erosion modeling using Google Earth Engine and RUSLE. So my next video, I will show you how to add your study area or study area boundary or your area of interest to Google Earth Engine, and then take the link to the area that you added, to the polygon that you added, and bring it to Geemap, because we need this boundary to clip our layers to the study area that we are concerned with. So guys, this is it. Today we learned about how to install Anaconda and the Geemap package. So everything is working. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Paka paka. Tasfitania.